Here's how to convert JPEG to TIFF. So if you want to convert JPEG images, doesn't matter if it's JPEG or JPG, this app converts both. And the software is called ConvertSave. I actually created it with my brother who's a software developer. And I wanted this drag and drop your images in file converter that you can select the output. Like in this case, we're going to go to TIFF and hit convert. And it saves right next to where all the photos came from. And it works completely offline. No more weird, sketchy websites. So yeah, basically we created this, we've been working on it, and now it's an audio, video, and of course, image file converter for Mac and Windows. So hopefully this is something that you like to use and find value in as a utility. For me personally, I do. I have created so many things with ConvertSave now, like putting images together in PDFs or converting video, even for the ConvertSave website that is more conducive to like online video instead of like just an MP4 file or something. So there's a lot of different things that you can do with ConvertSave, and we're adding a lot more advanced features coming soon, or depending on when you're watching this, hopefully already out. That's ConvertSave. Check it out at the link in the description or the pinned comment down below, or go to convertsave.com because it's as simple as that. Convert, save. Appreciate you guys' support, and I'll see you in the next one.